hacer el perfecto.
As you can tell, this video is fully in Espanol, but don't worry, I'm gonna translate every word for you.
Te voy a enseñar a hacer el perfecto flan casero. Let's go.
Let's go.
Comenzamos con el caramelo a fuego
Add 1 cup of sugar to a pan
medio, una taza de
and caramelize it on medium heat.
azúcar hasta que se convierta en caramelo.
Pour the hot caramel directly into a bowl.
Colocamos en el molde la flanera en
1 whole can of evaporated milk.
una licuadora.
1 whole can of condensed milk. And this will allow me to do other things while I wait for the condensed milk to drip.
Leche condensada, leche evaporada,
I feel like my translation is a little off because I see huevos but I hear leches.
vainilla, huevos
And blend the huevos on my highest speed.
a mezclar. Pasamos por un
And then strain the mixture to make sure it's silky smooth. I have a feeling that this is gonna overflow. I really don't want to deal with the cleanup. It actually fits perfectly. No cleanup for me today.
colador a la
Cover tightly with tin foils.
flanera y ahora sí, a baño de María.
And pour hot water to make a bain-marie.
Es súper importante que para un buen baño de María,
It's super important to bain-maria
Nos vamos al horno a 340 grados por 1 hora.
into oven at 350 for an hour.
Una vez que esté listo,
After an hour, the bain-marie is looking like the samples of fertility studies. Let's place it on another sheet tray and then we'll chill it overnight.
colocamos al plato, volteamos y voilà.
Alright, drippy dripper sound over here finally chilled out. Now, all we do is just flip it into a plate and it should be done. Voila.
Nice job, team.
Why there's so much caramel stuck on the bottom? I mean, this looks pretty legit. Let's take a centerpiece and see if it's any good.
I think I've had enough.
The egginess is throwing me off. It kind of tastes like that one time when I made omelet, but I mistakenly used sugar instead of salt. I looked around the internet and it seems like most people just use egg yolks instead of whole eggs, so I'll try that next time. Alright, thank you.